In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Slack subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where the billing controls live in Slack and how to get to the place where subscription changes, including cancellation, are managed. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace on the desktop app or in a browser. Note that only a workspace owner or a billing admin can access billing. So if you don't see the options I'm describing, you may need to ask an admin to follow these steps. Start on your Slack home screen. Look down to the bottom left corner where your profile appears. Click your profile image or name to open your profile panel. This is the quickest way to jump from the main Slack interface into your account tools without digging through multiple menus. In that panel, find the three dots icon, sometimes called More Actions, next to your profile details. Click it to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. From the menu that opens, select Account Settings. Slack will open a new browser tab or window with your account and workspace controls. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have multiple workspaces. On the page that appears, choose the Settings section. This area gathers the core controls for your Slack account and, depending on your role, workspace level settings as well. It's a good place to double check you're in the right workspace before you make any changes. Next, go to Billing. This is where Slack displays your current plan, renewal date, seat count, invoices, and payment method. If you manage multiple workspaces, confirm the workspace name at the top matches the one you intend to modify. Within Billing, you'll see the Plan Management Controls. This is the place where plan changes are handled, including downgrading or canceling a paid subscription. The exact wording may vary by plan and region, but the option to end a paid subscription is found here. Follow the on-screen prompts when you're ready. A few tips before you proceed. Review whether your cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your billing period, and whether any credits or refunds apply. If your team needs message history or files, consider exporting what you need first, because plan changes can affect data retention and feature access. If you don't have the right permissions, ask a workspace owner or billing admin to perform these steps. That's it. Navigate to your profile, open More Actions, go to Account Settings, head into Settings, and then Billing to manage or cancel your Slack subscription. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to confirm the right workspace and timing before you finalize any changes.